Hello and welcome to AWS Certified Solution Architect course. In this video, we will discuss versioning and how to do a practical on versioning. So I'm on AWS console and I will select S3 service. In last video, we have created one bucket, test bucket 1812. I'll select this bucket and I will upload some file to this bucket. So I'm selecting this S3 test file.txt. The file has been uploaded. Now I will go to the properties of test bucket 1812 and enable versioning. So it's telling its versioning is currently enabled on this bucket. So it's already enabled. So what we can do, we can suspend it and we can enable it once again. One thing here to notice is we cannot disable versioning. It can either be enabled or suspended. So I will enable it again. So it will ask for this pop-up versioning. Enable bucket to store all version of your object by default. You can control the cost using lifecycle rules. That's a separate thing we will discuss in next video. Are you sure you want to enable versioning? Yes. So I have enabled the versioning. Now I will do one thing. I will make some changes and upload the file again. So before that, let's see the versions of this file that are existing. So these are the old versions we have worked earlier. But if we see, this one is the current one that has been uploaded, and it's telling it's null, and the size of the file is S3 test file is 9 bytes. So I will do one thing. I will just update the file and again upload it. So let's see what happens. Now I will make some changes to the file. This is the file which is having content as version 1. So I will change the version content to version 2 and the new file which will be uploaded to check versioning. I will save it and I will upload it again. So let's see what happens. Now the upload is completed. This, if you can see, the size has been increased to 69 bytes. Now let's see the versions. Let me refresh it. So if you can see here, there is a new version of the file. The old was of 9 bytes and the new one is of 69 bytes. So this is how we can get to know that the file has been changed. So if we delete the file, what will happen? So let's go here. I will hide the versions and I will delete this file. So I have deleted the file. Let's see what is happening at the version level. If you see the version, then let me refresh it. If you see here, after the deletion, it has marked the object for deletion by this marker, delete marker. So if we want to restore the object again, we can just delete this delete marker. But before that, we will just check if the object is deleted or no. So it's deleted here. So we need to store the object. In case we have accidentally deleted the object, we can restore it through through versioning, through the versions. So I will just delete this delete marker and the older version will be restored. So let me do that. So I'm deleting the delete marker object. Now this file of 69 bytes should be restored. So let's see that. Let's verify that if it's happening. Yes. If you see here, the file of 69 bytes has been restored. So this is all from versioning. Versioning can be used for creating versions of all the changes you are doing to the object, and even in case of accidental deletions and all, we can restore the old file using versioning. Apart from this, when we are doing cross-region replications, then also versioning is the prerequisite. Without versioning, we cannot do cross-region replication in S3. So thank you for listening.